Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So when I was young, I started riding motorcycles when I was about 8 years old, and my dad was seriously into it too. So him and I were able to ride motorcycles for about 20 years. We did Barstow to Vegas, lots of hare and hounds in the desert. So I was just a huge motorcycle enthusiast. And one of my favorite guys was Knievel. I used to watch him in the 70s and 80s, do all of his jumps, the Caesar's Palace jump, the one in London, etc. And Evel was just a really big part of my life. So recently, I purchased this little motorcycle kiddie ride. It's really a mini bike kiddie ride. And it sat around here for about a year or two, and then I yanked it out a few months ago and said, let's do this. And I thought, well, what would be better than to do it in an Knievel theme? And that's what we did. As always, we took it completely apart. Everything came apart. Tank, the frame went out for powder coat, all the bright work, the wheels, the chain guard, the motor guard, the exhaust, the bowl for the air cleaner itself, everything went out for chrome. Then we did a beautiful paint job on it here in the shop, doing Evel's signature red, white, and blue tank and fender. It came out super nice. I thought it would be very nice as well as to do the number plates like Evel did when he was sponsored by Harley Davidson with the #1 Harley Davidson plates on it. I also bought an extra small helmet in the red, white, and blue, which Evel had himself, and I put Evel Knievel on it with a nice red, white, and blue helmet, which is going to be super cool when you put your kids on it to take the pictures and let them ride it. So we did really nice new handle grips here, foot peg grips. Everything is done super, super nice. As you can see, we did the base in a nice dark blue. It's on a dime, which would be appropriate. I believe that this thing was built in the late 50s and early 60s, okay? Super, super cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it for you, as well as the other thing that I did is I had gotten some nice 8x10 photographs. This is one of Evel Knievel jumping at Caesar's Palace. This is one of Evel when he went down on one of his jumps, sad but true. And here is another one of Evel doing a jump over the buses in London. So these will also all come with the motorcycle. What I like to do now is I like to run it for you. It's on a dime, which is correct. It runs super nice, super smooth, just a killer little machine. Why don't you come around here, Jeff, as it's running and show them the other side of this. Both sides, the other thing I did is it didn't come with a chain guard or a chain, so I put a chain on it, chain guard. As you see on this side, we did a full chrome job on this. I even chromed the 3 bolts up here to go along with the chrome. It has a carburetor, runs good. The other thing that I did was it did not come with levers on it. So we put levers on it, and I made a mechanism under here so they're all correctly spring loaded, these, so the kids can play with them when they're riding it. So I even went to that measure to spring load the levers, the brake, and clutch. The thing runs good, looks good, is good. Clearly we chromed everything on the coin box. I put every penny in it that I could get into it. There was no expense spared. The other thing that you'll see in the stills is I put Evel Knievel's signature. What he did was he always had a gold cane, and then he had a crown, and that was his logo, which is on the gas tank, red, white, and blue, as it would have been Evel's colors. New handlebars, chrome wheels, super, super nice. And if you're an Evel Knievel fan, or you just like kiddie rides, this could be for you. And what we will do is we will get it on a pallet, get it blanket wrapped, have it delivered right to your door. So no muss, no fuss, just one push the button, give us a call, whatever you want to do. We'll get this out to you. Once again, just a great little Evel Knievel theme kiddie ride from the late 50s, early 60s. Somebody's going to have a ball with this. Thank you so much for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.